They are foundational efficiency.
Hmm.
They work together out there in the yard so the rest of the plant doesn't get clogged up, doesn't waste fuel.
And doesn't run into catastrophic quality problems because the input wasn't right.
They lay the groundwork for everything else.
They really do. We've kind of navigated the different shapes and jobs of these S&R machines. It's genuinely fascinating how much detailed thought, how much cost-benefit analysis goes into just the storage phase.
It really is.
Yeah.
And it's hard to grasp the scale until you actually see pictures or videos.
Absolutely. Which brings up an interesting question, maybe something for you, the listener, to think about.
Okay.
We said the drum reclaimer is ideal for fine, well-blended materials, gentle handling,
Right.
and the bucket wheel is for coarse stuff, high throughput. So how do constant fluctuations in the incoming raw material quality, like imagine a sudden rainy season making your clay really wet and sticky versus a long dry spell?
Operational reality.
How does that reality influence a plant's big, expensive initial decision? Do they invest